Okay, boys and girls, we have our grammar station here for Wednesday, and we're going to talk some more about contractions and about confusing them with possessive pronouns, which also get an apostrophe. Do not confuse possessive pronouns with contractions. The words it's, your, and their are contractions. They each have an apostrophe that stands for letters that are left out. The words it's, your, and their are possessive pronouns. They do not have apostrophes. Pay attention when spelling a contraction. Make sure the apostrophe is in the correct place. So here in part A, we are going to write C if the underlined word is a contraction, write P if it's a possessive pronoun. So if it has an apostrophe, it's going to be a contraction. If it doesn't, it's a possessive pronoun. I hope it's not too late to enter the science fair. It has an apostrophe. I hope it is not too late to enter the science fair. So therefore it is a contraction. You're going to look at number 2, 3, 4, 5 in the same way. Part B. Complete each sentence with the correct contraction or possessive pronoun in parentheses. So we have to decide which one now. I like blank new backpack. They're both your. Let's think about the contraction for your. That is you are. I like you are new backpack. I like your new backpack. Your is showing ownership. It belongs to you. You're going to finish up number 7, 8, and 9 on your own. Good job, boys and girls.